Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find all accounts linked to my email address. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Chrome, then click onto user profile and then click on manage your Google account. Now, once you're here, you'll see tabs on the left hand side. Click onto the security tab and then scroll down again and then look for your connection to third-party apps and services and click on see all connections. So now these are all accounts linked to my email address. So if I scroll down, you can see every single one of them like so, and you can search by name, and it also says sign in with Google and access to. Now if you want to delete a connection, we can just go ahead and click onto that. So if I want to delete connection with this application here, I will see some more information about it. So delete all connections you have with 18 Birdies Golf GPS rangefinder. So I'm going to click onto that and then click confirm. And now my Google account isn't linked to that app anymore.